Camping essentials for a healthy summer. Stay safe, hydrated, and energized. Summer is the perfect season for outdoor adventures, but making the most of your camping trip requires more than just pitching a tent. Whether you're heading out for a family camping weekend, a challenging hike, or an energetic festival, having the right gear can turn a good trip into an unforgettable one. But here's where it gets controversial. Many people underestimate the importance of certain essentials that ensure both safety and enjoyment. Let's dive into the must-have items that will keep you healthy, comfortable, and prepared throughout your summer escapades. First and foremost, hydration is absolutely critical when you're spending time outdoors. This is where the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter comes in, a compact, lightweight gadget that can literally save your day. Imagine being able to drink safely from natural water sources like rivers, lakes, or streams without worrying about contamination. The LifeStraw filters out bacteria and parasites on the spot, so you don't have to carry heavy water bottles or rely on potentially unsafe supplies. It's a true game changer for campers who want freedom and peace of mind while exploring. Next, let's talk about fueling your body efficiently. Quick, nutritious meals can be a challenge when you're on the move, but PORiJ's plant-based porridge pots offer a simple solution. Just add hot water, stir, and in 3 minutes, you have a warm, protein-rich meal that provides slow-release energy to keep you going. This is especially handy before a long day of hiking or as a quick pick-me-up at a festival. Plus, with flavors like maple syrup, vanilla, and apple and cinnamon, it's easy to find one that suits your taste. At around £11.99 for 6 pots. Available on PORiJ.com and Amazon, it's an affordable way to stay healthy outdoors. Of course, safety can never be overlooked. The Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Series is an essential companion for any outdoor enthusiast. This first aid kit is thoughtfully packed with everything you might need to handle minor injuries, from bandages to antiseptic wipes, ensuring you're ready for unexpected scrapes or cuts while out in nature. Having this kit on hand could be the difference between a small inconvenience and a major disruption to your plans. Another crucial element often overlooked is skin protection. The summer sun can be deceptively intense, and prolonged exposure to UV rays without protection can lead to serious skin damage. Banana Boat Ultra Sport Sunscreen offers durable, water, and sweat-resistant coverage, making it perfect for active days spent hiking or camping. Remember, applying sunscreen isn't a one-time task. Regular reapplication is key to staying protected all day long. Finally, cooking while camping should be simple and efficient, not a chore. The Jetboil Flash Cooking System is an excellent choice for this purpose. Its integrated pot and burner design allows you to boil water in just over 2 minutes, which means preparing your porridge breakfast or heating up a quick meal like super noodles can be done swiftly, leaving you more time to enjoy your surroundings. So, as you prepare for your summer outdoor adventures, remember that the right preparation enhances not just convenience, but also your health and safety. Are you someone who packs these essentials already, or do you think some are unnecessary? What's your take on balancing lightweight packing with being fully prepared? Share your thoughts, because when it comes to camping, there's always room for debate and new ideas.